Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Dodge Challenger battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and safety glasses. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. You'll find the battery conveniently located in the trunk of your Dodge Challenger, making access straightforward for this task. Now let's disconnect the old battery. It's crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal, then carefully remove the cable. Next, repeat this exact process for the positive terminal. Finally, detach any hold-down clamps or straps that are securing the battery in its tray, preparing it for removal. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing it, thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps to ensure optimal connection. Carefully place your new battery securely into the tray, making sure it fits snugly. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly with your wrench. Finally, attach the negative terminal last, ensuring all connections are tight and secure. Before you're all done, let's do some final checks. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are perfectly tight and secure. For extended battery life, consider applying a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. Then, start your engine to confirm proper battery function and that your electrical system is operating smoothly. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at a certified recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.